The mid-century modern tiny house on wheels magnificently demonstrates the triumph of enduring sophisticated design principles over constraints of size, seamlessly bringing refined architectural taste into the burgeoning movement of minimalist mobile living, far exceeding the typical expectations of a basic, confining transportable shelter. This meticulously crafted residence is conceived as a portable architectural statement, firmly anchoring itself to the core tenets of post-war 20th century design, namely, unwavering structural clarity, absolute functional utility, and an honest, deliberate appreciation for natural construction materials. The exterior presentation is immediately captivating, frequently showcasing an articulated, often asymmetrical roofline alongside a carefully composed exterior skin. A rich tapestry of materials that might include rugged natural cedar siding, striking inserts of deeply toned walnut, or smooth expanses of crisp, immaculate white paneling, all coalescing to create an immediate visual appeal defined by a charmingly sophisticated, vintage MIT's contemporary flair. Most critically, the fundamental design ethos places a paramount emphasis on forging a deeply immersive visual dialogue with the surrounding environment, vividly realized through the strategic incorporation of expansive glass elements, such as dramatic floor-to-ceiling windows, which serve to completely saturate the compact interior volume with abundant daylight, thereby allowing the ever-changing panorama outside to function as a lively, integral, and constantly refreshing element of the home's decorative scheme. Upon crossing the threshold, the visitor is instantly enveloped by the compelling essence of unadorned perfection, a truly striking moment of aesthetic clarity. The interior volume serves as a textbook execution of elegant spatial economization, a meticulous study in maximizing utility while retaining an atmosphere completely devoid of visual clutter. The vertical surfaces are typically bathed in an understated, highly reflective neutral color scheme, such as a brilliant untroubled white or a soothing, pale gray, which intentionally establishes a serene and bright canvas, against which the luxurious, deeply saturated wood tones characteristic of the classic mid-century period can truly shine. These rich wood features manifest beautifully in the form of warmly hued teak or sumptuous walnut cabinetry, interspersed with sleek, cantilevered shelving and a remarkable, unifying flow of timber accents that gracefully ties the cooking, dining, and relaxation zones together. This intuitive, open-concept planning forms the dynamic nucleus of the residence's design, guaranteeing that the structure, despite its modest ground area, maintains an incredibly light, breathable, and genuinely expansive sense of space. All furnishings within are judiciously selected and deliberately scaled, embodying the movement's most recognizable low-profile silhouettes and organic, flowing contours, with every piece having been specifically chosen for its ability to perform multiple functions while simultaneously enhancing the aesthetic integrity, perfectly fulfilling the powerful modernist axiom that design must be directed by its purpose. The profound dedication to the mid-century aesthetic is consistently maintained down to the most minute fixture and finish, successfully elevating the domicile beyond a simple, temporary shelter into a genuine, permanent installation of portable architectural design. The culinary space, frequently positioned as the visual and practical anchor of the home, is distinguished by hyper-sleek, unadorned flat panel storage, precision minimalist pulls and handles, and perhaps incorporates an unexpected moment of visual delight, delivered via a brightly colored, retro-inspired appliance or a playfully geometric patterned tile element acting as a backsplash.